baby, I'm home. What's all this?
Hey babes, you're early, but just in time. This is your special day I'm making you lunch, okay?
You're so sweet. Oh my word, look at you.
You wait here, baby. I'm gonna finish up the meal, huh? Then we can feast.
So sweet. Is this tap water?
Oh, hell no!
Where is this man? Let me go check. Are you still gonna be long?
Any minute now, baby.
What?
Just give it 3 more hours for the onions to braise.
You can't easily change your partner, but you can change your supplier. Domestic and commercial gas deliveries to your door. It's the only way to keep your flames burning. Contact Ubuntu Village today.